told you. See, y'all said, no, baby, it's a something. No, I said, that's an otter. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, he went under. Look at it, there it is. That's so cool. Yeah. Not them barking at the dog. Oh, it's 4. I see 4. Wow, how cute. And then there's the bird. Talk about wildlife now. That's amazing. Was the bird just trying to catch one of the otters? Ooh. The otters, are they really barking at the dog? Like,
I think they're still just trying to, I think it's legitimately trying to